I do.
Hello everyone, it is Renee, and that is one of my best friends, Tiana, and we wanted to do a Valentine's Day themed photo shoot. So we did. Yes, it is almost the end of March. Mind your business. So we had some days off that we could plan together just to get together and do something fun, and that's what we did. This was just our planning stage. We talked everything from like textures of different fabrics we wanted to use to like what other props and like the overall theme of our photo shoot, which we kind of decided would be a Valentine's Day themed sleepover. We looked on Google as well as Pinterest for like just different inspo. And then I could not remember for the life of me my own Pinterest password. So I just ended up going into Photoshop to make like a concept board for us. But that even just took like 5 or 10 minutes. We didn't do anything exact, but we did kind of come up with our own like idea of how we wanted to set up things, and we also did a Google Doc just to put any things we thought of while we were away from each other into the list, so that way we could think about those and pick them up later. So we ended up doing a practice day for setting up everything. That way the day of the actual shoot, it wouldn't take as much time. We got most of these things from Target. Well, not Target. Most of these things from Dollar Tree and a few things from Target. A lot of the stuff we actually already had because we're both creative people, so we kind of pack rat things because we're like, oh, I can use that for something else. But this day, it was a different day, and we just spent it putting things together for the backdrop, seeing how we wanted stuff to look, seeing how my lights would affect different things because we had so many different textures of fabric and finishes on the different decor that we had. So it was a good day to kind of just see how things were gonna go. We also talked about different poses and whatnot that we wanted to do, and figuring out how we would move everything, because I even got an airbed that I wanted to use just for in general, because I knew I wanted that for other shoots as well. But it was a really productive day. This was probably the most productive day next to the actual day of the shoot. But we did that for a few hours. I took some test shots as well just to see how things were going to look. And yeah.
It kind of gives like a, I don't know, maybe it's just the thing though.
What
It
is
looks like a ghost banana boat. Ghost damn it.
Ghost damn it. Valentine's go back. I love it. I like it. It low key looks like a prom background.
I love it though.
This gave it a prom background. Maybe not.
I like this frog. I love that frog. Looks like a furry ball. Not that one.
I never know how to pose for photographs, and I'd be sitting there like
like a sim. Like, I don't know what do you want? What do you want me to do? Potato.
I was like, potato. That's not how you spell potato.
Bitch, you know I'm sexy. Come just kiss me, bitch, so can't get on my feet. He's there cause they know I'm the I-T-T-I-R-L. You know I am the girl.
Put an extra R. Harsher.
You. Sounds racist.
How?
I don't know. Okay, too many R's.
This, you know what? That was a hard R too. That was a hard. Tarjart.
So for the actual shoot day, I didn't record anything because we were trying to get dressed and put on our makeup, and we just didn't have time. I will do that for the next photo shoot or creative endeavor that I have, because I would like to come back and be more frequent. But these were the nails that she made me. She made both of us nails. And if you're interested, she does do press-on sets if you want some. She only takes a limited number though, so check out her Instagram if you would like some press-ons because they're really cute. But yeah, this is us just getting ready to take our first few photos. We ended up taking a bunch of photos, which you can see on my Instagram and her Instagram and probably wherever else I decide to post them. But I am going to show you a few of them in the reveal at the end, which is in like a few seconds. Not even that. We kind of ate that. I ain't even gonna lie, we ate that. But it was really fun. Like I said, I love doing creative things with my friends, and this was no different. I can't wait to do more creative things and show everyone and just get to do more just in general because I miss it. So if you are interested in seeing more of that, please stick around, and hopefully I will be back really soon. So I ain't got nothing to do right now. Okay, bye.
Stop the cunt, bitch.
We gon' head south, watch some envy. I need me a Bentley, not no 10 speed. Tryna ride my wave with no jet ski.